Numbers written on the wall. Tony wonders what they call 2 times 3, what is it all? He feels confused and very small, but he will learn it all.
Teacher shows him 2 and 2. Add them up, it's easy to do. Add them up, it's easy to. Tony listens, learns it through. Math is fun when it is new. Now he has a clue. 2 groups, 3 in each. Count them all, it's in his reach. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Learning numbers with smart tricks. Now he learns it quick. 2 times 3 is number 6. Tony smiles, he got the trick. Writing fast with pencil stick. Learning math is really quick. Learning math is really quick. This is fun and slick.
3 times 2, now try again. Tony counts with focus then. 1 by 1 from 1 to then.
1 by 1 from 1 to 10. He solves it, boy, without strain. Smart boy with a brain. Multiplying is just add. Repeat numbers, don't feel sad. Tony smiles, feeling glad. Math is not so hard or bad. Math is not so hard or bad. Best fun he ever had. 4 times 2, let's see now. Tony solves it with a wow. Confidence is on his brow.
Learning how you're smart somehow.
Questions coming fast and quick. Tony answers every trick. Brain is now his favorite pick. He's learning very quick. Holding trophy shining bright. Tony beams with pure delight. Tony beams with pure delight. Learning gives him done just right. Learning gives him happy light. Victory in sight.
Waving with a happy cheer. All the answers now are clear. Tony smiles ear to ear.
This you next time here.